Welcome, guys. Welcome to the Clickbank Marketing Secrets Facebook group. If you're a member, if you've just joined up, you are eligible to join the membership group. If you have a look over, there's a link just over to the right here, and it'll give you access to the membership group. Now, it's not a free membership, but there is a reason for that. It will take you to this page if you haven't already seen it. You might see it on the email list as well. But it's basically going to give you a whole bunch of training, affiliate training, tools. There's a little bit about me. All these tools are available for you to use within your membership access. And there's some bonuses as well. Lots of training. And this is going to be an ongoing thing as well. So there's a one-off fee of $19. That's all it is $19. And there's the reason there is a fee is because if you think about how much stuff you download for free, usually it just gets tossed away and forgotten about. I've downloaded over the years, I've downloaded so many free guides and things like that, and they just get forgotten. If you invest something within your training, it's not very much money. And it's only a one-off fee. It's not a reoccurring monthly fee or anything like that. It's just a one-off, and that will give you access to all of this training. It will be updated as well. So what you see is not all that there's going to be. As I go through the months and the years, I'm going to continue to adding new information, new training that I do, new groups that I've joined as well, so you can follow along as well. So when you do join up, this is what your dashboard will look like. So there's a whole bunch of tabs and tools here, depending on what type of affiliate marketing that you do and your niche as well. Email marketing, there's a whole bunch of guides on email marketing, not just the books, but also some cheat sheets and mind maps. Same thing if Twitter's your thing, how you can succeed with Twitter, and YouTube, same sort of thing. So a guide on how you can market yourself on YouTube, some cheat sheets, mind map, and some other resources as well. With Clickbank marketing in the past, of course, you've got access to download straight away. You would have got access to download the two guides that I've written, Marketing Secrets, and if you wanted to build your own affiliate niche website, all the steps are in there. So those two guides you've already got. They've already been sent to your email address. But there is also the video series, which is now available for you, which is included in that $19 price. So I used to sell that separately. It's now included within your membership here. And there is some bonus specific Clickbank marketing bonus material as well there. The $47 is if you need a funnel built for you, for your niche, tailored to you. That is an additional cost, but you don't have to get that. And then, but there is more training, of course, included for the $19. Clickbank training, specific email courses that I've put together, so that's free training. The 100-day affiliate bootcamp, so that's turning in 100 days become a super affiliate. So that's a fairly long course, that one, about an hour a day for 100 days. Some more training that I did, setting up a Clickbank sales funnel. So that's training that I put together. Again, that's free training, or included within this membership price, of course. The 30-day challenge, of course, that's complete beginner. If you're starting from nothing, you can start from zero and have a complete working sales funnel in 30 days. That is a paid course. That's a $100 course, but it is a really good investment of $100 for your training, and it will give you a business online ready to go at the end of it. Some more ClickFunnels training and Commission Hero training. So how the #1 sales affiliate for Clickbank reached $1 million. So that's some training that he's done. And then just moving on, some tools that I use, free spreadsheet that I put together, which you can just download and use. Some other resources there, of course. The landing page maker that I use, of course, is ClickFunnels, and Get Response is my autoresponder, my email autoresponder. Both free trials if you wanted to check that out. Some other tools that I do, that I use, and the program that I use to make intro and outro videos, very quick intro outro videos before YouTube. Some other references, lead generation, and how you can get a lead magnet into your offer, so just adding value into your offer. So all of that's available in there for you. Some book references, of course, if you're into a lot of reading, there's some free plus shipping references there, and some other references on where you can buy all the books that you want, entrepreneurs online at a very good price. And then, of course, contacts. If you ever want to contact me, have something done, or if you have any questions or anything like that, it's all available there. So that's all within the membership site for only $19, one-off fee, not a reoccurring. But if you didn't pay anything, if I gave it away for free, people would just forget it, and then it would just be forgotten. So at least this way. But remember, it's what you see here, and there's going to be stuff added all the time. New stuff always added. So be sure to jump on there. As I said, there's a link when you do join the group. There's a members only link just here, so jump in there, click on, join that group, and if there's anything you want added, by all means hit me up, and if I can put it on there, I'll add it to the membership site. So do that now, jump on, and let's get you earning.